Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in so you can work immediately. Enter your work or school account at Portal. Office. Calm and complete any two-step verification if prompted. Once done, make sure your subscription shows active and check OneDrive storage to avoid upload limits. Next, open the waffle menu and launch Word Online or Outlook to confirm apps load. These first steps give you a live workspace, so you're ready to create and sync documents without delay or extra installation. You create documents directly in OneDrive or a Team SharePoint library, so autosave is on by default. This prevents lost changes. Once your file is ready, click Share and grant edit or view permissions, then paste the link into Teams or email for instant collaboration. Make sure to use comments and it mentions to assign tasks, and check version history when you need to revert. This explains why saving to the cloud is better than local files. Also, install a browser add-in when you need extra functionality. You wrap up by syncing OneDrive to your desktop so files are available offline and appear in File Explorer. Enable files on demand if space is tight. Export a PDF or download a copy when you need fixed formatting, and confirm sharing link expirations and permissions before sending. If something breaks, slow load, missing edits, first clear browser cache or sign out and sign back in. This often restores authentication tokens and reloads app resources. If that fails, try a different browser to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.